This is the Wi-Fi camcorder. Now we will show you how to connect the Wi-Fi between your camcorder and your smartphone. Turn on the screen and the camcorder will start up automatically. Press the mode button. There is a Wi-Fi symbol to appear on the screen. Press it. The Wi-Fi name and password will appear on the screen, as you can see here. So we put down the camcorder here. Now we pick up your smartphone. Go to Setting, Wi-Fi. And the Wi-Fi is appearing here, HDV. The password is 1234567, which has been showed on your screen. Go to the app. Okay, so the Wi-Fi connection has been successfully established right now. You can control your video recording and picture taking here on your app. This is the icon for video recording. Press it. So video recording is going on right now. Press it again to stop your video recording. Here is a picture icon. Press it. And the camcorder has been entered into picture mode. Press it. Picture has been taken just now. Here is a photo button on the camcorder. Press it. The Wi-Fi connection has been stopped. So you can log out your app right now.